Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to find your stolen or misplaced Redmi Note 14. So let's say for instance your phone was stolen and you'd like to find it. You can simply do that. But before you can find it, ensure that location services has been enabled on your Redmi Note 14. So if it's not enabled, simply ensure that location services is enabled. Now to find your stolen Redmi Note 14, all you have to do is grab any other device and launch the Find Hub option on that device, and then sign in to your Find Hub account or Find Hub application, and then from here sign in with the account that you registered your Redmi Note 14 to. So as you can see, my Redmi Note 14 is here. All I have to do is simply tap on it, and then it will try contacting that device. And now you can see on the map that that's where your Redmi Note 14 is. You can see it from the map on where it is. And also there are a couple of options that you can choose from. So you can simply tap on play sound, and that will play a sound on your Redmi Note 14. Or also, if you suspect that your phone has been stolen and you'd like to secure your data, all you have to do is simply tap on secure device, and then you can select secure. So simply tap on secure that particular device. You can also enter the phone number, it's optional, and the message, and then you can simply select secure device, and as you can see, your device is secure. So in case someone doesn't know your PIN or password or pattern, they cannot use it. Also, you can get the directions to that particular device whereby it is. So you can see on the map where it is, and then you can get directions to find your Redmi Note 14. So that's basically it on how to find a stolen or misplaced Redmi Note 14. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.